Alright, okay guys, welcome back to Walk the Walks with Paul. Today we're doing Paddocks Ponds, Powerscourt Waterfall and Crone Woods Loop. Now, it's a 10k walk. It's had to been lashing rain for the last 2 days, so we're going to expect a few slips and falls along the way. For this one, don't forget all your rain gear, waterproofs, torches as well for this, because fog might be down. Should take us roughly around 3 hours unless we get lost. Alright guys, catch us later. Bye bye bye. Okay guys, there's our car park coming through the gate and off we go. Okay guys, it's very wet. Say hello. Okay guys, looks like we're making our way down across the river. And obviously back up. Yeah, it looks like we're coming stuck. We sort of have to cross this river here. And we're trying to find a way across. Don't know whether we can follow these boardwalks here and then come back on it further on down. Just have a look. Okay, we're still following the river down, and then hopefully we can cross up here somewhere. Okay guys, we're not going to cross the river there, it's running too fast, could be dangerous. But this route also leads you to Powerscourt as well, and that's where we're actually going to end up. So we're going to take this route. You actually brought us into Powerscourt as well, so sometimes you just sort of have to diversify. Okay, what a beer. Oh, really raging there now, some water flowing. And now over beyond them trees is the waterfall, which we'll show you in a few minutes. Oh my god, look at the force of that. Oh, absolutely fabulous. Look at the power of it. Hey, that's Powerscourt Waterfall. Okay guys, we're heading out of Powerscourt down towards the main gates, and then we're heading for Crone Woods. Okay guys, this is the start of the climb. It's a bit steep here at the minute. As you can see, it's going all the way up to the top. Up here. Catch us later. Okay, that was a steep old climb so far. Take your time. Okay, so far it's a steep old climb. In from the bottom down there. And we still got a bit to go. Okay, we're coming off track here. Lots of trees down. Trail actually leads out here, and that was a very steep trail, to be perfectly honest with you. We just take 5-minute rest here, but as you can see, that road down there is the Crone Woods to Malden, and we've done this a few times. But this is the road actually up to Malden, which will bypass Powerscourt Waterfall. You'll see that from the top here. And actually down here, that's exactly where we were, and we're after climbing up all this. Absolutely fabulous. Mist is still coming in. Okay, time for the photographs to get in, just to say that she was here. Evidence.
Free! Ta-da!
Okay guys, this brings us up here to the intersection. Now, if we go right up this way, we're heading up to Moreland and then down through the forest. If we go this way, who knows where we'd end up. But we're going to follow Ray anyway. Okay, as you can see, the water is actually coming down. So, and the river, you can see the river down here is at the by the postage banks. But we'll have a look. See what we can do. Okay guys, just to give you a... Oh my god, look at this over here. Oh my god. Wow. Wow, look at this. Okay guys, this will just tell you the height that we were at, and now we're coming down here. Yeah, oh, seriously, yeah. And then we're heading back up to the same side up there. Okay guys, we're not too far now, probably another 20 minutes. I don't know if you can see there in the mist, the fog. It's a fair old hike. Alright, we're going to cut through, we still have a little bit of a climb. And catch us later. Okay, we just came through the barrier there. I don't think we have too long left. Hopefully we have another 15 minutes or so. Fair old height from up there. Okay guys, remember we came in here at the start, but this is actually the pond, and we can see the sticks here up here for measuring the water when that fills up. So we're going to go back this way now. We're only a couple of minutes from the car park. So that's it. See how we get on. Last push up the hill, then we're at the car park.
Hey! We've done it! Thank God!
Yes, we're back at the car park. Roughly 20,000 steps. Took us roughly 3.5 hours. Half an hour of that was actually in Powerscourt. Took a break. Absolutely fabulous view in Powerscourt, I have to say. From Powerscourt to Powerscourt, actually, the walk is fairly handy enough. We had to cross one or two obstacles and make our own way on another track, but we got to Powerscourt, and that's what it's all about. On our second climb from Powerscourt, it's all uphill, all the way until we get back here to the car park. Just keep an eye on the video and it'll show you all the hills that we had to go through. But in fairness, it was a great day. I know it was lashing rain for most of it, but they're the days where you actually get out and do the stuff, you know. You don't have to wait for the sun to come out. All in all, it was a great day, great people, and hope to see you again on the next one. Alright guys, take it easy, bye bye bye.